Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into Volkswagen's latest SUV, the all-new 2025 Tayron. If you've been eyeing a Tiguan but need more space for your growing family, you'll want to stick around for this one. Now you might be thinking, wait, what's a Tayron? Well, this 7-seater SUV is actually Volkswagen's answer to the hugely popular Hyundai Santa Fe and Skoda Kodiaq, and it's replacing the aging Tiguan AllSpace in their lineup. But don't write this off as just another boring family hauler. There's more to this story than meets the eye. Let's start with the looks, because wow, Volkswagen definitely brought their A-game here. The Tayron shares some DNA with the new Tiguan, rocking those sleek LED headlights and that stunning full-width light bar across the front. But here's where it gets interesting. It's actually wider, and a whopping 230 millimeters longer than its smaller sibling. And check out that sporty sloping roofline. It's giving some serious premium vibes that put the more upright Santa Fe on notice. Now let's talk power, because this is where things get really interesting. Volkswagen's throwing everything but the kitchen sink at this one. Want efficiency? There's a 1.5-liter turbo with 150 horses. Need more grunt? How about a 2-liter pushing either 204 or a properly quick 265 horsepower? Both of those come with all-wheel drive standard, by the way. But wait, there's more. For our diesel fans, you've got two 2-liter options, a 150 horsepower front driver or a beefier 193 horsepower version with all-wheel drive. And here's the cherry on top. Two plug-in hybrid versions offering either 204 or 272 horsepower with an impressive 62-mile electric range. Just keep in mind that if you go hybrid, you'll have to sacrifice that third row of seats. Step inside, and this is where things get really impressive. The dashboard is pure modern Volkswagen, with this gorgeous gloss black panel that houses some seriously cool ambient lighting. But my favorite touch? That unique wood veneer trim that sweeps across the dash. It's details like these that make the Tayron feel special. Tech-wise, you're looking at a standard 12.9-inch touchscreen, but here's a pro tip. Spring for the optional 15-inch display if you can. It's absolutely worth it. And yes, you get that crisp 10.25-inch digital cockpit standard across the range, but let's be real. You're here for the space, and the Tayron delivers big time. With 5 seats up, you're looking at a massive 885 liters of cargo space. Need all 7 seats? You've still got 850 liters to play with. That's over 200 liters more than the Santa Fe. Speaking of seats, that third row isn't just an afterthought. Volkswagen has actually made it usable for real humans. Here's where it gets interesting though, and possibly controversial. Word is that pricing will start around £45,000. That's definitely pushing into premium territory. And you've got to wonder if Volkswagen might be asking too much, especially when the mechanically similar Skoda Kodiaq is likely to undercut it significantly. But here's my take. Volkswagen isn't just selling a bigger Tiguan here. The Tayron feels like a genuine step up in terms of quality and presence. It's like they've taken everything people love about Volkswagen SUVs and turned it up to 11. Sure, you could save some cash with a Kodiaq or X-Trail, but neither quite matches the Tayron's blend of style, tech, and that indefinable Volkswagen premium feel. Should you buy one when it hits showrooms in early 2025? Well, we'll need some proper seat time before making that call. But if you're in the market for a 7-seat SUV that doesn't sacrifice style for practicality, the Tayron looks mighty promising. What do you think about the new Tayron? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fresh car content coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.